Alright, so just finished putting all these clothes on my bed, as you can tell. Hi guys, what up? My room's a mess, but today we are going to clean it. Through this two-part video, I will be organizing everything using the Konmari method. I will be donating, throwing things away, putting things where they belong, all these things in this first part of the video. And then in the second part, I will be doing a more normal kind of clean my room video like I always do. But I wanted to try something different this year because 2019 is the year of change, you know? If you want some behind the scenes of this video, go follow me on Instagram. It's Macerly official. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I need to clean this because this is stressing me out, but yeah, let's go right into this video. So we will be tackling the closet first, and I will be putting all my clothes on this.
Your dream. We were ordering.
I've bought 3 types of hangers in my life. I bought these for jeans, these for like pretty clothes, and then these for like my sweaters. But where do all these come from?
My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath was taken. We were about to make it.
I'm gonna vacuum and dust this area off. Just finished putting all these clothes on my bed. This pile is sell, so these are clothes that I can sell. This one is donate. These are clothes to be thrown. And then the last pile is obviously clothes that are going back into the closet.
Holding on to reach. I just need to be asleep. Need to feel a dream. Holding on to reach. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken. We were about to make it. 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 To make it. To make it. To make
is pretty much cleared out. I have 2 full bags of clothes that I'm going to donate, and then half a bag of like destroyed clothes and those kinds of things which I'm going to be throwing away. I've emptied my closet with this much, and then I also have 2 full bags of things that I'm going to be selling. So all in all, it's like 5.5 bags of clothes which I'm going to remove from my closet, which is crazy. I'm gonna go take these out and I'll see you guys later. Alright, so I've been throwing things, I've been donating things for a while, and now I just have a bed full of stuff. And what I'm going to be doing is, first of all, I need a box for all my summer clothes. Under my bed skirt, I want to like fit a small, slim box I can put my summer clothes. So I'm gonna go buy a box for that. Then I'm also going to be buying some more organization things, especially for my pens are over here. This is getting kind of old, so I really want to either make a new DIY or buy like a cool marble thing. Maybe I'll make a marble thing. We'll see. So I'm gonna go out to the city and buy some stuff so that I can organize the rest of my clothes, pens, and also I need a new like laundry basket thing, so I'm gonna go buy that as well. And then I'll see you guys. So I just came home from the store. I got a bunch of craft supplies from Pandora Hobby, which I'll be using to organize stuff later. And then I got a couple of organization things from Ragged House. So now I think I'm gonna finish up the clothing category, and then I'm going to go into the books category. So I just found these two boxes in my brother's closet. He didn't use them, so I just got them. But I'm gonna sort out all these clothes into those boxes and I'm gonna put them right under my bed because they fit perfectly. So according to the Konmari method, the next category is books.
I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real.
So now I'm gonna go through which books I haven't read, which books I have read and would love to read again, books I want to hand out to friends, and books I want to donate.
It's just enough to get me through.
So we are moving over to miscellaneous items. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort out all the surfaces. I have like 3 big surfaces: top of the drawers, night table, and top of my Alex drawer. And I just really need to sort that out because that's been bugging me so bad. So I think I'm gonna do that first. I just needed some energy, so I made myself a coffee, but we will get started.
For more than just that, I'm thinking, am I on your mind? Will you come meet me and change my life? This love could be deeper, just sinking. Will you love me? It's cold, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no.
This nail polish is 6 years old.
This is artificial.
You guys, so I think I finished the entire Konmari sequence, I guess we could say. Everything is looking so clean and organized. I'm so happy, except this tripod. Don't mind that. I mean, look at this. Everything is so clean and organized. So I think I will end part 1 of this clean my room video here. The floor is still a little bit messy. My bed is not fully clean yet. I have a couple of DIYs that I really want to make to organize my room even more, and I'm going to be doing all of that in my next video, so hopefully you guys are super excited about that. I am. So stay tuned for that. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and also follow me on Instagram at Macerly Official for more behind the scenes. My hand is shaking. Whew, this camera is heavy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!